You know, you just gotta, sometimes you gotta admit when you're wrong. For about 5 years now, maybe 4, I've been telling y'all that Gold Black Friday stuff was a scam. I never knew nobody who won in the sneaker community in real life on Twitter. I never saw a win. But I hit y'all. I hit on the Black Friday GOAT situation, man. I'm not gonna lie. I did about 100 tries. I did about 50 trivias. I had over 1 million tickets. But I did get 1 win. And after I got this win, I said if I get 2, then I'm for sure this is not a scam. I didn't get 2. But I did get 1. And it's a big one, man. Pause. The Jordan Jumpman, Jump Jack, Travis Scott, the original. The first one, well, maybe it was the second one because you had the Brown come out Grammy night. Either way, this is a Travis Scott. Not a Travis Scott Jordan 1, not a Travis Scott Jordan Low, not an Uptown. This is a Travis Scott, his first ever silhouette. And I hit it for retail on that GOAT Black Friday thing, man. Hit the B-roll. Yes, sir, man. The Jordan Jumpman. The Jumpman Jacks or the Cactus Jack Jumpman. Either or, man. I like this sneaker. And getting it for a retail W months after they dropped. I really believe these dropped in May. I'm ecstatic, man. I'm happy. I'm not going to lie. It wasn't easy, though, man. I did call it a scam because nobody never won. But that app, man, it was so much glitching going on. The sneaker that I really wanted, I'm clicking it, and it's acting like I'm not even clicking it. Remind me of the Jordan 1 Union drop back in the day. But I got a W, and a couple of people got a W on this sneaker. If you want to, you can pause the video right now or after the video, either one you prefer. Go to GOAT Cyber Week restocks. Everything that didn't sell out on that Black Friday situation, they still have it. I seen the khaki 6s, the Travis Scott joints, some Joe Fresh Goods stuff was up there. So check that out. But we're gonna do a full review on this sneaker. I mean, I know it's months old, but ain't a review like a Sneaker Notes review. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. If one thing Travis Scott gonna do, he gonna give us presentation. He's an artist and he shows his artistry with the presentation of these sneakers. So you get Jumpman on all the sides. The small sides you get Jack. And man, it doesn't look like a regular sneaker box. Doesn't feel like a regular sneaker box. And look, just feels like hardwood, man. This is like the best cardboard they could find. They should have just made it wood. It's very, very durable. At the bottom, you get all the bells and whistles, Jordan logo, Nike logo, swoosh logo, all that stuff. And then a little circle right here has a little Jordan Jumpman. You get a size here. And people who are novice and don't know, that sticker right there means it came straight from GOAT. Open up the lid, all red inside, big top. You see it, huge, guys. You get that chocolate Cactus Jack paper. That's why I didn't remember if these was the first or the chocolate one. We definitely seen the chocolate one first though. And each sneaker comes individually wrapped in this paper with the sticker connecting the paper to the paper. Told you, presentation. And you get this dope tote bag. Red melted at the it's a drawstring. Okay. I say, what we need these for? The drawstrings got red tabs. You got the Cactus Jack logo and the Jordan logo there. Nice black bag. And here's the left shoe of the Cactus Jack, Jumping Jack, Jumpman joints. Travis Scott, first official sneaker of his own, silhouette. And it gives me so many 90s vibes. I see Bo Jackson's in here. I see King Griffey's in here. I see Charles Barkley's in here. Whenever you throw a strap, you're going to get 90s vibes, guys. That's going to give you the 90 vibes alone. Gary Payton, Penny Hardaway, all that. So right there, I don't know. I guess that says Cactus Jack in some kind of language. Chinese, Tokyo, something. But I like it. I wish it was red because you can hardly see it on the white strap, but I like it. Even the strap has tumbleness leather, guys. A lot of tumbleness in that strap, guys. A lot of tumbleness there. But let's get to the overall main sneaker. He kept it OG, backwards swoosh, very dope. Even got Giannis using the backwards swoosh. I like it. You do get like a Jordan 1 vibe here, right? With the sandwich black on the colors, a different color when the swoosh is regular. You know, I know what I mean. But yeah, man, that black is like a mesh wool material. The swoosh is nubuck suede, but the mesh is just like the tongue, same texture, like a wool. I don't know, some kind of coat material, but it's definitely mesh, and I like that it's black because the overall sneaker is like a off-white in white, too much white. The back has the Cactus Jack logo on top of some tumbled white leather. Get up here to the close to the ankle, close to the sock line, and you get a some nubuck suede, like an off-white, close to gray. There go your sock liner. It is wool, just like the toe box. All black. The inside just has some busy design, Travis Scott style, with a big Jordan Jumpman in there. Red and black. Very dope. Let's go back to the front of the sneaker. So I told you, mesh toe box. Showed y'all the strap. White shoelaces come laced, but this is Travis Scott, so you know some other laces is coming. Let's try to get to this tongue. Leather tongue, Jordan on there with the exclamation Travis Scott logo there, the same one that's on the A of the Jack. Very dope, man. I like how he's like, not making Jordan cool, because Jordan's already cool, but I guess generalizing, you know, getting them to a different generation. I like this here, the silhouette. Also give me 90s basketball vibes. Got like an off-white pale look. Again, I wish that was red too. But I just like the design. Like a vanilla cream look. I like that. And speaking of vanilla cream, they go to Jack at the back. At the bottom in all red. Like he's walking on the moon. I feel it's supposed to look like some kind of planet clay. I like this. Here go the right side, guys. That was the left. Nothing's changed. Not even back here. Like usually one will have Travis logo, one will have Jordan logo. You just get the Travis Scott on both. The tongue stays the same. So nothing's changed from right to left. But the shoelaces. So you get a cream just like the bottom. You get this black and white, which I usually don't like, but I like it because it's connecting like all the colors together besides red. So I like that as a blend. Or you got the red, which I really, really like. I like the red. Y'all let me know in the comment section below which ones y'all like. So to me, overall, a great shoe, man, especially for your first silhouette. I like it because it's really not copying one thing. It's just giving like a nod to 90s. And I like that. So again, look, my apologies, man. I've been rocking with y'all for years. I spent a lot of money over there. I just felt like that Black Friday thing was a scam. And maybe it was, but just this year they decided to finally give us some kind of prizes. And I appreciate it, man. I don't know what retail was for this sneaker. I didn't even try to get this sneaker in May. I think so much other stuff came out in May for me not to even try. But I paid $255 from GOAT. I think the price that you had to pay if you won was $230. So I went through everything, did it, Apple Pay. And then like 30 minutes later I hit. I was shocked, guys. Shocked. But yeah, man, I like them. It helps me keep my Travis collection together. And let me know how y'all feel about these. But I really, really, really want y'all in the comment section below to put down there if you won. What did you go for? How many times did you try? Because this year I seen some W's. A lot of W's with this pair, but I seen some W's, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.